Standard 4 EVS 1. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in EVS 1, My Upbringing. Dear children, what do you see in the following pictures? Okay, let me tell you. In the first picture, you can clearly see a mother feeding her small child. In the second picture, you can see a father teaching his son to ride a bicycle. Third picture, you can see mother is cooking and her daughter is watching what her mother is doing. In the fourth picture, you can see a father and son giving bath together to a farm animal. And in the last picture, there is a grandmother who is sitting down and telling stories to the little children around her. Now you can see there are different things that are happening in the picture, and it shows that children are learning from their elders. We all learn a lot of things from our elders, like certain habits, likes, and dislikes as we grow up. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about upbringing. Now, what does it mean? Upbringing is nothing but the different things that we learn as we grow up. We learn many things, habits, etc., from our parents, relatives, friends, and neighbors that shape our views and thoughts. This is known as our upbringing. Now, at home, you must have seen your photograph when you were a baby. Nowadays, you can also see the pictures on the mobile phone and even the videos of how you began to crawl, how you learned to walk and talk. You also learned other things like how to brush your teeth, how to take a bath, how to eat, how to behave, table manners, etc. Slowly, you learned many new things, and the list can go on and on. Now, how did you learn all these things? Who taught you all these things? We learn many of these things from our elders. They can be your parents, relatives, friends, or neighbors. Holding our hands, our parents teach us to walk, how to behave, and also how to talk to elders. But when we make a mistake, they also correct us and teach us how to talk with respect to elders because they want us to become good people. Do you know? How does a lion cub learn to hunt? A lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. These cubs are quite helpless for about the first 2 weeks. They do not even open their eyes, and so their mother keeps them hidden away from others. Now, when the cubs are about 8 weeks of age, they are slowly introduced to the other members of the pride. Now, along with the mother, even the other lionesses take care of the cubs. A cub is therefore pampered by all of them until the age of 3 months. It takes a cub 2 to 3 years to become a skilled hunter. Same way, we have our parents, our elders in the house, our grandparents, uncles, and aunts who have great affection for us. We also learn many things from them. Do you know? Now, this person whom you can see in this picture is Baba Amte. He has spent his entire life in social service. His main goal in life was to serve people suffering from leprosy and also other handicapped people and to help them stand on their own feet. Now, in this mission, he was immensely helped by his wife Sadhna Tai. This work is now being carried on by his sons and his daughters in law. Now, even the third generation of this family is carrying on this mission. This example of social service carried on by this family is really inspiring. Now, my dear children, everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. Certain things we also learn through observation and exposure. Like, how do our friends speak? What clothes do they wear? What games do they play? How do they study? Many a times we also begin to behave like our friends. We are not only influenced by our friends, but also by other people around us, like, for example, our neighbors. We meet them every day for some reason or the other. We observe them in many ways, and so this has an influence on our upbringing. And if people from another place happen to be our neighbors, we naturally get to know about their food and festivals which may be different from ours. So, this is how we become familiar with diversity. We also learn good habits from our neighbors as they know us from our childhood and they too feel affectionate towards us. This way, we learn many things from our friends and neighbors. My dear children, I hope you understood this lesson. Fill in the blanks. We learn to walk, to talk, and how to behave with others from our parents and relatives. Our neighbors too influence our upbringing. We also learn many things through observation and exposure. Answer the following. What is known as our upbringing? We learn many different things while we are growing up. They lead to the development of certain habits, likes, and dislikes. They shape our views and thoughts. This is what is known as our upbringing. Write 3 points about Baba Amte. Baba Amte was a social worker. His lifelong goal was to serve people suffering from leprosy and handicapped people. In this mission, he was helped by his wife Sadhna Tai.